Hi everyone, I am Kelly Beall. I'm a primary guide here at Butler Montessori, and I'm going to talk a little bit about environmental education and how we do that on our campus. So my background is actually in environmental education, and I studied biology and geography along with those in college. So I feel like Butler is the perfect place to share that with children and families. Environmental education is really shared throughout the various levels in many different ways. So with our young primary children, we're out and about on campus exploring, and I think the biggest piece that we share with them is language and then stewardship, right? So we're not necessarily going to delve into how we can keep the creek from eroding each season, right? That's going to come in elementary and intermediates, and they can actually take more action. But with the little ones, we can go out and we can collect trash. And we're saying, you know what, we're keeping our creek really healthy, and that's keeping the rest of our environment really healthy. And that's something tangible that they can see, and it makes sense to them, right? Trash doesn't belong. We go, we pick it up, we remove it, we've done something good for the environment. And that kind of carries through with the whole campus, right? We're on a hike and we see something that doesn't belong. So we can encourage them to become stewards of their environment really young, really early on, which is a big part of environmental education, right? We have to start young. We have to teach an appreciation and a love, right? And kind of a reasoning behind why we might want to protect this kind of environment. And if anybody out there watching has a 6-year-old, they're going to start asking you why. So you want to tell them why, right? And that's really fun in environmental education. When they get a little bit older, you can start talking about why we do this, right? Why do we want to keep our creeks and streams clean? Because it's, a bigger global reasoning, right? The environment's all over. It's all over the world, right? So as they get a little bit older, you can talk about that. And it's fun in primary because you get that crossover between the first plane and the second plane. So as they get older, we can start to talk about why with our older ones. And then they share that information with the younger children. So it's really lovely. So environmental education happens out here every single day as we utilize campus. And then in the classroom, we're reading stories about the earth and animals and creating and instilling a love for it in the young child. And then we're giving them language and terms. So we're teaching them what tree that is, what leaf that is, what insect that is. So when you know more about something, you're going to take more time to protect and explore those things. So that's how we do it here.